Hello everyone, my name is Inian from India. I am a Tamil language YouTuber, but I just want to upload this video in English language because these all information is related to foreigners coming to India. I am going to tell an important update for foreigners coming to India. The arrival card become digital, which means hereafter no more manual arrival form in the Indian airport. This is really an important update for foreigners coming to India because earlier whenever foreigner landed in India they had to write manual arrival form. In that manual arrival form they have to write all the details like passport number, nationality, address in India, contact number, emergency contact number, date of arrival. These all information has to write, and then the filled manual form have to be submitted to the immigration officer. And immigration officer feed the passenger details in the system by enter manually. After that only passenger got cleared by the immigration, then they were allowed to enter into India. This used to take time and sometimes cause big queue in front of the immigration counter. But now things have changed. Indian government have introduced new arrival card process. They have created a new website address for all foreign passengers for apply e-arrival card online. This will take maximum 1 minute to fill the form. This is very easy process. In this video, we are going to see how to fill the e-arrival card. I have given the official website address in the descriptions. If you want, you can use it. If you click the link, it will redirect this page. On this page, you can find e-arrivals Bureau of Immigrations. Just scroll down. You need to give all the details in this page. First, you have to give your name as per your passport, and you have to choose nationality and enter your passport number and the purpose of visit and arrival date, country visited in last 6 days, and you need to enter the address in India, and you have to choose the state in India where you're going to stay, and the email ID, your contact number and your emergency contact number. And if your family members are traveling with you, you can just add member, and you have to give the details as well, and the e-arrival card will reflect accordingly. You have to enter the captcha and finally declare. Just click it and submit. Once you submit, you will get the e-arrival card like this, and right side you can find the QR code, and you can find the details whatever you have given. Just save it in the mobile phone. Once you landed in Indian airport, you have to show this e-arrival card to immigration officer. Immigration officer get the details by scanning this QR code. Passenger details automatically reflect in the system, and immigration staff will take maximum 1 or 2 minutes to clear you. And this is the very easy process. I believe you like this information, and thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share your friends, those who are coming to India. Definitely this might be helpful to them also. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channels for more flight related video. Thank you.